Hi everyone, today I want to talk about this MP3 shield that I got from BANGGOOD. I got it for free. I later show you why. And it's pretty cool board. It can play MP3 and other formats. It have SD card slot and two audio jacks, one for microphone, one output. And it have also external mic and reset button. So let's get started. So we have this model, we have Arduino Uno, and this is SD card case. Yes. Let's put it back, and first we need to see the pins. Yes, it came like this. Not good, but good. This is why I get a refund. So let's get it from this bag. It's not easy to get it from the bag because pins are punched this bag, but eventually I did it. So let's check pins again. It's not good. And it will not go like this. I use the screwdriver to fix all the pins, bend it back, but it took me a few minutes. And eventually, after a little fiddle, I made it so it fits. Now we only need to plug it in SD card. Also, I have this cassette size speaker system. It's artifacts from the past. I don't know how to open it, but yeah, it should slide like that. And it have a cable. And we need to plug it in output port. So this all the information about this chip and this board. Yes, all the feature, all the formats. It have data sheet about this VS1053 chip. Schematic only this, so not much. And they show this command interface, and the only thing I added here is as the chip select. I found it's pin 9, so I will use embeetle IDE. Of course, there is import Arduino sketch, and you have to select the sketch first. Yeah, I have it in hardware shields, this one, and here, yes. We have to select the board, Uno. It will be in E projects, and we give it a name, MP3 shield. So yes, it will import everything, including libraries, but libraries have to be installed first in Arduino IDE. Yes. So here the sketch itself, it uses serial with port with speed. Yes, and it wait for command, and 1 to 9 plays music. It also have this here libraries, and this where this here MP3 shield library. We can open it to check, and it's quite big, so I kind of lucky that someone already write everything for me. So let's build. Yes. Okay, build success. Then we have to select a port. I have COM7 and flash it. Yes, flashing is in process. Then we can go to monitor. It will use the same port 7. We should select a speed and connect. Well, it gives an error, but ignore it. It says hello and 1 to 9 to play a track. So we press 1. I have already write some loyalty-free music, and it's playing. It's a little bit far from my computer, so I don't know if you can hear it, but trust me. Okay, and basically that's it for now. Ciao.